I'm Professor Moricone, clinical lecturer at Iona University in the Biology Department, Division of Arts and Sciences. And today I'm here with Dr. Mollah, who is a clinical lecturer in our department and new to Iona. And I'd like to take this opportunity to thank him for coming and introduce him to the Iona community. Thank you.
Thank you for having me.
So Dr. Mollah, I know you have an extensive history. Could you tell us a little about where you started, where you come from, and the research that you've done?
Well, I started, right here in New York after finishing my postdoc at Albert Einstein College of Medicine. I went on to teach in the Yeshiva University, and from there I went to Stony Brook, and from there I actually went to overseas in Bangladesh, where I'm originally from, at A.K.M University for Women, and I spent about 12 years there before coming back to New York again. In terms of research, my training is in molecular biology, microbiology, and biochemistry. I have done research related to gene expression, also looking at how various microbes from different environments can, degrade synthetic pollutants, and also using bioinformatics, looking at structure function relationship of different proteins. That's in a nutshell, my research area.
That's a pretty big nutshell. I think when we think about all of that. What about the courses now that you're teaching here at Iona in our biology department?
Yeah, so right now I'm teaching the microbiology for the nursing majors, along with the normal, the advanced microbiology lab. In addition, I also teach general biology.
So this being the start of your second semester at Iona University, what could you tell us about your interaction and student engagement that you've experienced so far?
Yeah, I think again, Iona University, this institution is a very unique place with diverse, members. So in my class, all the classes that I have, I have students from various backgrounds, and I think they are very inquisitive, and there are some more inquisitive than others. And one of the philosophy of my teaching is that teaching is a two-way street, and therefore, instead of just lecturing and all those, I, involve the student, and I want them to really not only answer, but with answering my question, come up with questions, right? That has been one of the, way that I engage the student. The student has been engaging so far, and they come up with various questions, and I try my best to answer, and if I can't answer, I said, I'll look up and then come back to you. But yeah, overall, I think, I have diverse group of students from various backgrounds, not only within the US, some from abroad, and they are fairly inquisitive and engaging in the class.
So if there was, I know you said you teach the nursing microbiology, so what advice or what could you tell a prospective student that's interested in nursing about coming into your class? Maybe you could speak to the ratio of perhaps freshmen you have or sophomores in that class, and if they wanted to come into that class as a nursing student, what would your best advice be to them?
Well, I think it's a mixture group. I think, I remember last semester, I think, we had very few students. This semester I have, bigger class size. And I think it's fairly mixed, because initially I saw a lot of, in terms of gender, a lot of female. But I think now I have, fairly, equal mix of male and female. And I think they are mostly sophomore level, most likely. But what I would say, nursing is a very interesting field, and the course microbiology is very instrumental, because at the end of the day, they're going to deal with patients that are most likely infected by various kind of microbes. So we try to, teach the course. I try to teach the course emphasizing on the microbes that are relevant in the sense of diseases that you see commonly, or emergent, diseases, emergent microbes that we are seeing, and try to emphasize on that. Yeah.
So, if a prospective nursing student or biology student was, interested in your course, what would be the best way to reach out to you with any inquiries?
Well, go to the website, I think the website has all my contact information, and of course the best way to communicate is email.
Okay,
Yeah.
so I would like to thank you for spending a little bit of time with me today and with the Iona community. I'm Professor Moricone from Iona University. Thank you.